Dr. Greg Alexander of the Pediatric Office of the Future videocast series, and I'm joined today with one of my favorite vendor folks, Jennifer McDuffie with Nuesoft, who's also one of my favorite vendor teams. They're very fun, very creative folks. And so first of all, Jennifer, thanks for joining me here today.
Why, thank you.
And I forgot to write it down. Maybe you could go ahead and mention the title, your title there at Nuesoft?
I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Nuesoft is an electronic health record vendor. They have joined us with the Office of the Future in the past, and we're really happy to have them back again. They're very creative and very forward-thinking. And so, Jennifer, maybe you could just go ahead and mention to the viewers what they might expect to see if they come to the show in Boston this year in Nuesoft's portion of the PEDS Office of the Future.
Sure. Well, we're really excited to be sponsoring the Office of the Future again, and we're working with the Practice Management and Design Quadrant. And our goal in participating is to help educate pediatricians about some of the emerging technologies in the world of practice management that are available to them, and particularly those technologies that run in the cloud. And as everyone, I hope, is familiar, one emerging trend these days is the use of mobile platforms. And more and more doctors are using mobile devices like smartphones and iPads for clinical purposes. And Nuesoft's display shows how these tools can work with existing health information technology systems to give providers more flexibility and provide faster access to patient information and also improve their workflow. So, for instance, doctors can use mobile devices to do things like store dictation against a patient's chart, or access their schedule, or capture charges, and even run a full-fledged application.
And you guys always put on a great show, so I know it's going to be fun to see what you guys pull together for Boston.
We'll do our best.
You're also scheduled to give one of the talks in our new Tech Talk Theater this year. Let me get this correct here. On Monday at 12:30, Going Mobile Health as a Disruptive Technology. And
yes, our CEO, Masood Alibash, will be talking about how mobile health, really is going to be a game changer for healthcare. And, it'll tie in a little bit to what I just talked about. We'll be featuring in our exhibit in the Office of the Future. So hopefully everybody will get the chance to hear him speak and also stop by our display.
I look forward to hearing that. I've talked to Masood before, as you know, but I don't believe we've yet met. So I'll look forward to that. But also, I want to mention to everybody there that the folks at Nuesoft have been very wonderful in their sponsorship of the Office of the Future. And one of the things that they've done for us this year is they've offered to bring their videography team, and they've gotten pretty good. They've gotten some pretty good street cred in the health information technology world for some of the creative videos they've created. So they're coming in to do some interviews, some videotaping at the event, and they'll be hopefully putting together a series of videos on all the education or all the Tech Talk Theater talks that we give. And so we're really grateful to have that because we can use that ongoing, and lots of people can access that later on. So Jennifer, first of all, thanks for that. We really do appreciate that.
Thank you. We're excited to help.
And again, thank you for joining me this year and for joining us in Boston at the NCE. Excuse me. And I will look forward to seeing you there.
Likewise. Yeah, we'll see you in Boston. We're looking forward to it.
Great. And for the Pediatric Office of the Future videocast series, this is Dr. Greg Alexander.